We will cover regular French verb conjugations under the future tense in this lesson. All French verbs belong to one of three verb groups, ER, IR, or RE verbs, and each group of verbs have their own conjugations or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The French subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and vous can also be used as the formal singular version of you, whereas tu is informal and cannot be plural like vous. Under the future, as well as the conditional, we keep ER and IR verbs in their infinitive forms and then add the respective endings afterwards. For RE verbs, we remove the E from their infinitive and then add the respective endings afterwards. All three verb groups share one common set of future endings. They are et, a, on, et, on. For the verb parler, we simply add the respective future endings to the infinitive form of the verb. Parlerai, parlera, parlera, parleront, parlerai, parleront. For the verb choisir, we again simply add the respective future endings to the end of the infinitive form of the verb. Choisire, choisira, choisira, choisiront, choisirez, choisiront. And for vendre, we remove the E from the infinitive form and then add the respective future endings afterwards. Vendre, vendra, vendra, vendront, vendrez, vendront. With that, we have covered regular French verb conjugations under the future. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not actually a French speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.